Welcome. Today we are mastering the pivot table. As you can see on screen, we have a list of employee records including IDs, names, and departments. To begin, we select the table so Excel knows which range to analyze. Go to Insert menu to select the pivot table as shown. The dialog box appears to confirm our range. We select New Worksheet and click OK to create our workspace on a fresh tab. The new sheet appears with blanks where we can use the quadrants on the right bottom to navigate different options. Now we have our canvas and the pivot table fields list on the right. This is our control center. We'll start by selecting the department field into the rows quadrant to see every unique department name appear instantly. Next, we can use the remaining set of data to summarize the salaries. Drag the salary per annum field into the values quadrant. Excel automatically calculates the sum for each department, giving us a clear view of the total payroll distribution. By this selection, we could clearly map out the total salary paid out for each department. If you want to break down further and see the employees under each department, drag employee name into the rows area. Watch how the table updates to show a list of every employee within their specific department. The power of pivot tables lies in their flexibility. You can throw any field under Filters quadrant to show or hide any specific piece of information. For example, if we use filters for department, only one department's summary can be filtered out. This helps where there is a huge database to summarize. You can rearrange, filter, and summarize your data in endless ways with just a few drags of your mouse. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Excel mastery. See you in the next video.